Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can type square in Word document. So here you are seeing on sample task which we are planning to do. So there is a square. So by watching this video you will be able to do this very easily. So there are different approaches. I will show you two approach. One approach, if you know, you can do any of the Word version software, but the other option sometimes you may see there or not. So let's see how we can create this type of square in Microsoft Word. So let's see how we can make this thing. Basically I'm going to remove everything and now there is nothing. So I want to make that 2 square, right, or 5 square, anything is fine. So I'm going to type 5, then square is 2, so 5 2, right? So we need to choose 2. This should be square, so I'm going to select it, and then we have to come home tab, and here in this section, this is the font section. Inside this font section we'll find on font like thing, there is icon, it is called superscript. We can click here and it will be like this. So this approach, sometimes if you find this icon is there, you can do, but if this icon is missing, how you can do this thing? Now let's see the second approach. For this case I am going to show you an advanced level, but if you know this thing, you can work any version of Word. So like for 5 square, basically we need to select the type or portion which we want to make the square. So this is the square part, and then after that we have to come home, and then we need to expand this font window, and it will be like this. Now we have to come effects. Inside these effects we'll find superscript. We just need to click here to check this thing, and you will see the preview over here. And finally we need to press the OK button, and after the OK button we'll see it is like that. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily type square in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching the video.